Alright, there you go. Do that all again. Because I'm a idiot. Okay. Yeah.
Great. Alright, let's try it again. This is my 1977 Datsun 280Z. It started out as a regular 280Z, pretty much stock with some light mods. It's now getting an RB26 with some upgrades, but in order to handle the power of the RB26, I had to fix all the underlying problems. So the car was full of rust that was poorly repaired by the previous owner, so I am now properly, or sort of properly, repairing the rust. I'm making it less sketchy, still sketchy. That's about it. I mean, it's a piece of shit at the moment.
Well, you know what? It is what it is, and we're gonna do what we can.
Yeah. By far the nicest part is the rear brakes right now.
Yeah, as you saw.
There's nothing else.
Yeah.
It's just a shell. So, yeah. Step one, or at least from where we are right now, is to finish up the strut tower reinforcement. So you can see the patch panel here to repair the rusty metal. I want to make sure that that doesn't flex or anything. It shouldn't, because the actual strength comes from the upper frame rail, but want to be sure. So we're going to add some reinforcement today, as well as seeing where else this car needs welding, because we haven't looked at this car in like 3-4 months. Yeah.
And thus, journey begins. First things first, clean up the shop.
So you stop tripping over things?
So I can stop tripping over things, because I'm known for it. And, yeah. Kevin's gonna get changed, and we're gonna do a nice cleanup of his little shop. Here's a little update. Here's the next step. So first, we're gonna reinforce the strut tower, because this bad boy right there ain't so solid. Next things, seam weld both strut towers. We got this to seam weld still. Looks a little ugly, but it is what it is. And seam weld the strut tower there, down bound to the frame on the opposite side, just like this here. Perfect. Finish underbody welds and pants for Mike. He's got no idea. I have no idea. Oh yeah, pardon my swearing. There's gonna be a lot of beeps in this video. What the beep?
Beep boop.
Beep boop boop beep bop.
Oh, there's my Datsun hose.
So, this isn't strong because of someone. And we're gonna grind this down nice and neat. Do a nice little patch job here. Put a brace across. This don't move no more. And clean this up a little bit, cause yeah.
Trip the breaker.
Well, back in the disco car, and time to go home. Hit the sack. Successful day. Got everything welded up that we needed to, and well, it's time for some engine bay prep, boys.
Got the rest of this all stripped off. I mean, pretty good, right? Obviously, you have to go over it with a fine-tooth comb, probably with the hand sandpaper, right? But this half of the firewall basically is all stripped out to where it needs to be. Again, it's an engine bay. The paint doesn't need to be candy paint perfect. It needs to be good enough, right? I stripped out the inside of the tunnel up to actually, I went just past the seam. I said I didn't want to touch that seam there.
Oh, you went everywhere, eh?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice.
I even did the inside of that section there as much as I could. I did up here, so I got all the way up here. These are the spots I couldn't get. I told you the sandblaster started to malfunction.
Yeah.
It was like losing. It wasn't like hitting with the power it had before. Your side is done though nicely. Like it's all like done up in that corner.
Oh, not do that.
Forgot something.
What did I forget?
The gas.
Ah, that's an important part, eh?
I might get sputtering like a motherfucker. What's going on?
Critical component.
Or later, you know, when I get fat.
Okay, it's recording. I'm gonna catch even the embarrassing parts.
It's okay, but edit it.
It's just me, or is it kind of blurry? Just me being. Ha!
You didn't put up the heat, did you?
No, it's still on B. We're making pates. This is gonna be fun.
I know. Someone wrote Pates. I wonder who that was.
Definitely you, because I haven't written on this since I did that 3 weeks ago. So we're gonna finish the PC section, finish the lower core support. With that done, we should have all the welding done. At least, what is the camera doing?
I don't know.
Goodness. Is it recording? It's awkward if it's recording.
Why?
Because I was posing for a picture.
Show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby, it'll be alright. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you.